Welcome to the world of Adu.
Adu is standing on the beach. He looks at the big blue sea. Wow, he says, the sea goes so far. The waves go swish, swish. He loves this sound. He smiles and feels very happy. And Adu later jumps into the water. I'm going into the sea. Colorful fish swim near him. Fish, you're so pretty. The sunlight comes through the water. Everything looks shiny and magical. It's like a dream. Adu comes out of the water. The water shines on his skin. Then he sees a bicycle nearby and thinks, let's go ride. Adu takes the bicycle and starts riding through the beach. The wind blows on his face and he feels, this is so awesome. Adu rides past palm trees. They give cool shade. He sees the tall buildings of Dubai and thinks, wow, this is so beautiful. Adu feels free and strong and says, I feel like flying. But later, Adu Kuti gets tired. He sees an ice cream cart nearby. He goes up to the ice cream cart and asks the uncle, can I have some ice cream? Uncle says, which one, dear? Adu Kuti says, my favorite, mango ice cream, please. Uncle looks at Adu and says, coming right up, dear. This one's for you. Later, Adu Kuti slowly is enjoying the ice cream and thinks, wow, it's so tasty. He's watching people walk by and feels so peaceful and calm. Adu's very happy looking at everything that's happening around him. He takes out a small notebook, looks at the ice cream and thinks he should write something. His eyes are full of new ideas and thinks, what will I do next time? The ice cream cart uncle sees Adu and smiles. He knows that Adu is a little dreamer. The sun is going down meanwhile, and Adu goes and stands at the beach and thinks, wow, the sun is setting. He looks at the sea again and thinks, today was such a good day. I have so much to tell Amma and Acha. The sky turns pink and orange. Adu smiles and says, see you tomorrow.